Scytec DataXchange now has a web-based chart and real-time dashboard option. The first time you log in, you will need to put in your account credentials, and then you'll log in as normal with your username and password. There are three areas of the software. There are charts, there's Excel exports, and there's the real-time views. Today, we're going to look at the equipment view. This is a new option. Over here on the right, you are able to pick what machines you would like to display in this view. You have additional options below where you can pick what data is showing in the view. We have things like specific equipment status, duration, start time, program number, work order number, etc. Once you decide how the data is to be shown, you can actually rearrange where it shows up on the card just by dragging and dropping. You also can choose what time frame you're looking at. This is set up to see a rolling 24 hours, but it could be current shift or a different time period that you're viewing in real time. And then there is also a chart that will show up at the bottom that you'll be able to pick either a donut chart or a pie chart. We will pick the donut chart. To run the chart, you click this button at the top right. And this is, again, a real-time view, so what the machines are doing right now. The card is showing me the data points that I chose: specific status, duration, start time, part number, utilization, good parts, scrap parts, and user. Here is that donut chart. This is just giving me a percentage of all of the different statuses for that time period we chose. And then below that, we have a target utilization and then a graph that's going to show how close we are coming to or exceeding that utilization for the day.